everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this spiderweb masquerade mask makeup look. I wanted it to look like a mask made out of spiderwebs that had little droplets of dew on them. To start this look, I'm using Mehron white face paint to create the spiderwebs. And I wanted to start out with sort of a rounded masquerade mask type shape, and then kind of make the webs come from that. For the spiderwebs at the bottom, I kind of wanted them to hang down lower. And each side is different, not exactly a mirror image. And created more of a classic spiderweb shape on top. Then began adding the little rows of the spiderwebs. Then I began adding the clear water droplet rhinestones. Adding the smaller rhinestones to the areas where the spiderweb is more closely together. Then adding the larger rhinestones later on to the areas that are hanging down lower. Here I begin to add the larger rhinestones. Adding the largest rhinestones in the middle where it would be hanging the lowest, where the water would most likely collect, and adding smaller ones as they go up. And that completes this water droplet spider masquerade mask makeup look. I've always liked the look of spider webs that have little droplets of dew on them, and I thought this would make a pretty makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.